What's up, you guys? Stixx Picks here, back with another video. We are at the Concord flea market trying to find some picks. It's Sunday, so that means the whole flea market's open, so we have a little bit more of a chance to find some stuff. Let's see what we can get.
By the pin set, she didn't want these, and I was all surprised because she's every for the last 10 box sets there have been nothing in it but just the pins.
Yeah.
The packs that suck. So she's like, I'm not opening any more of these shits. I just want booster boxes. I'm like, yeah, that's easy to say.
No, the hollows. Yep. This one that says toys in big letters.
Yeah, it's cool. There's a lot of Funko Pops, but the way they're selling, they definitely know like what they're selling. Their prices, like someone was 60, someone 15. They definitely know what they're selling. Alright, y'all, there's a lot of like tool stalls. Like stalls are just tools, or stalls that are just here like every week with the same stuff. So like they know what they're selling. They're just selling it every week and they're trying to get like the full price they can get, which is not really how the flea market is. That's not really how it works most of the time. Sometimes you can get full price, obviously, but a lot of the time people are not looking to pay as much as you can pay in store or something, because that's why we're here. Hopefully I can get some stuff though.
Huh? So what?
Pull up to Mexico and start earning your own food and everything. What's up, man?
What's up? Dang. No Dragon Ball ones, really. Dang, it's kind of dry out here, you know? It's just me. Maybe I'm just dry. I'm not finding too much. It's like tools, more tools. Everyone's just got a tool stall, man. I'm not trying to buy no tool. How much are a Pokemon trainer box?
That one is 59.
Do you have any single packs or no?
Uh-uh.
Alright, just curious. Thank you. Do you have any single Pokemon packs, do you know?
Single Pokemon packs?
Yeah. Alright. How much for this trainer box?
Which one?
The middle one, Pokemon Go one?
I give it to 45.
going?
I'm good. How about you?
Good, good. Let me know if you need any help on pricing.
All right, I will. All right, thank you.
No problem.
Hello. I have something for you. Ese es $12. Y la malla, $10. ¿La qué?
How much for the necklace?
This is 25.
All right.
Okay, 5, 5, 15, 20, 23, 28. Súmalo, lógico.
How much for these earrings?
This is $10.
Alright, y'all, I guess I didn't record, but I just bought a little Pokemon pack, you know. It's a video, I like doing it. Let's see what we get though. Let's see what we get. We usually get unlucky, so let's see if we don't get unlucky. Alright, we don't need to do the trick, it's whatever, let's just go through it. Ooh. I think it's not the right card. It's a holo, you know. Could have been better, but I got a holo. Not bad, not bad. Alright, thank you.
He's American. He's American.
I'm gonna get this.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sweet. Got a little Dragon Ball Funko Pop, you know. I always buy Dragon Ball stuff. At least if it's like kind of cheap. It's $10. Might as well get it. Add to my little collection of Dragon Ball Funko Pops. I don't know if I've shown you guys in the videos like my little Dragon Ball collection. I think I tried to one time. The video just didn't work out, or the clip didn't work out. But maybe at the end of this video, I can show you guys, you know, my little Funko Pop collection. I got a bunch of Dragon Ball stuff. Good morning. Alright, y'all. Thank you for watching. We're out. A little short video, I think, but we didn't really buy too much. The only thing we really got was this Funko Pop, Dragon Ball. Of course, we like Dragon Ball. There's a lot of Funko Pop sellers today. I'm not gonna lie, there was a lot. I saw like 4 or 5 different stalls with like just Funko Pops. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Please like, share, subscribe if you actually like the video. Don't just do it for no reason. But peace out.